Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass iPad 7 having the latest iOS version, that is 18.7.3 without jailbreak, by using FRP file tool. This tool supports all the Checkm8 iPhones and iPads. You can check out the screen to know the list of all models that are supported for this bypass. If you have passcode locked or disabled Checkm8 devices, then you can bypass with Signal by using this tool. I will make a separate video on Signal bypass in the upcoming days, so stay tuned by joining our official channel. Now, let's start. At first, download and install 3U Tools from 3u.com website. Also, install iTunes from the 3U Tools. Now, the next step is to disable all the antivirus available on your laptop. Also, turn off the Windows Defender. For that, go to the search bar. Search for Windows Security and open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings. Turn off this real-time protection. Click on Yes. So now, let's download the bypass tool. For that, open any browser available on your laptop, and then go to AnnaSolutionZone.com website. Click on Tools. Scroll down a little bit until you see a 5.2.11 iCloud bypass heading. Here, you will get the FRP file download link. This tool is available on both Windows and Mac operating system, so download as per your requirement. Here, the downloading has finished. Now, open the downloaded zip file in the folder, and then extract it. Open the extracted folder. Right-click on FRP file Ramdisk, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now, minimize all the other open tabs, and connect your locked device by using USB to Lightning cable. If you get Trust this device pop-up notification on your locked phone, then simply click on Trust. So now, copy the ECID, and then send it to me on WhatsApp or Telegram for registration. You can also register directly from the website. For that, go to the same previous Anna Solution Zone website, from where we recently downloaded this bypass tool. Click on Services. Search for FRP File Premium Service, and then click on it. Click on FRP File Ramdisk Hello Bypass. Here, you can also directly contact to the website admin through WhatsApp or Telegram in order to register the ECID. You can also create a new account through the Sign Up section. Here, I'm going to choose the login option. Now, simply click on Buy Now. Here, paste the ECID in the ECID section. After that, you can also enter the discount promo code. The discount promo code is ANNA629. Now, choose the suitable payment option. If you have already top up your wallet, then you will also get the wallet payment option. Here, I'm going to use the automatic payment option. Tick on Agreement box. Then after, click on Proceed. Here, you will get multiple wallet options to make the payment, but I will recommend to choose the Coinbase option, where it will charge very low fee for the transaction. I have already logged in to my Coinbase account. In your case, it might ask to log in to your Coinbase account first. Here, click on Pay Now. After the payment is done, you will be redirected to this thank you page. Now, in order to check the order status, simply click on Check Order Status. Click on View. Here, it's showing as pending. You will receive an email once the order gets completed. Here, the order has been completed. So now, let's move to the FRP file tool. Click on Boot Pond, Change Serial Number. Click on OK. Now, read the on-screen instructions, step 2 and 3. Then after, click on Start when you are ready. Now, click on Bypass Hello screen. Click on Change Serial Number. Click on Boot Diag. Now, go to Search bar. Search for Device Manager, and then open it. Here, check out the COM port, if they are available on the Device Manager. If you did not see any COM port, then don't worry. Simply go to FRP File tool, and then click on Load Port. Here, you can see the COM port has appeared in the Device Manager. Now, check out its COM port, and select the same COM port in the FRP File tool. Then after, click on Check. Now, click on Change Serial. Click on OK and wait for the device to be turned on. Here, the device has been successfully turned on. Now, close the FRP File tool and open it again. For that, go to the same extracted folder. Right-click on FRP File Ramdisk, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Here, you can see that the device serial number has been successfully changed. So now, click on Bypass Hello screen. Click on Get Activation File. Bypass Hello screen, change serial number. Click on OK. Here, we have successfully get the activation file. So now, minimize this tab. Now, click on Boot Pond Ramdisk. Click on OK. Now, follow the on-screen instructions, step 2 and 3, and then click on Start when you are ready. Click on Boot Ramdisk. Now, choose the correct Ramdisk file, according to your device, iOS version. In my case, it's 18.7.3, so I'm going to choose this file. click on Activate Hello screen. Here, the tool shows that the device has been successfully activated. Now, click on OK and close the tool. Boom! Here, you can see that the device has been successfully bypassed. In this way, you can bypass all the Checkm8 iPhones and iPads without jailbreak by using this tool. I will make a separate video for passcode lock bypass with Signal in the next video, so stay tuned. If you faced any issues while doing this bypass, then simply contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. I will try my best to solve your issues. Also, if you find this video helpful, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.